this is Roland Uy, and I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to share with you my PS4 Pro setup. It's very simple and straightforward, not much of those fancy gears and stuff, but I really like it this way, and I hope you like it too. So please join me and let's talk about it. To start with, where all those stuff sitting on is my Ikea Skarsta Desk. It's the smaller version from the two available sizes. The size is perfect for any room, it's not too small and not too big. The height is also adjustable by rotating a lever which is right under manually. I really like this desk because of its build quality, it has height adjustment, and of course for the price. Moving on to the next one is my LG 27UD88-W monitor. As you all know, that this model has a silver frame, but I ran a black tape on it just to match the PS4 color. In my opinion, this is the perfect match for the PS4 Pro because it can run a 4K resolution at 60Hz refresh rate. In addition, at 27 inches, you will not find it small nor big, it's just perfect for any desktop setup. It also has a very slim bezel, measuring only 0.5 cm. It has a little knob at the bottom where you can adjust all the settings. Talking about the ports, it has a 1 USB Type-C, 1 DisplayPort 1.2, 2 USB 3.0, 2 HDMI 2.0, 1 auxiliary, and 1 for the power supply where you can connect the power brick that comes with it. Now where it is mounted is my iPlay single monitor stand. This is a very sturdy stand which you can also rotate, tilt, and swivel. It comes with the cable clips where you can organize your cables neatly. It actually have two movable bars across connected to each other, but I removed one to minimize my setup. Next on the list is my 3-Tech aluminum laptop stand which I used for my PS4 Pro instead. I really like it because of its industrial design. Though it looks like a little odd because of the space on the side, I still prefer this over the original plastic PS4 stand. On the right side of my PS4 is my Eyestradger Replica from the movie. I simply like it because firstly, gray is one of my favorite color, the customization look is great, it's made out of metal, and most of all the structure is very detailed. On the farther right of my desk is my terrarium display plant in a bubble glass hanging in a black metal stand. When it comes to display plants, I like its unique design. I bought this from a local store, but there are lots online available. Now going to my mousepad is the Logitech G440. It's a hard surface gaming mousepad. I prefer this mousepad for its fast and very smooth glide feel. On top of it is my Thermaltake Black Element gaming mouse. It has 6500 dpi. I like those mouse which has a slim part in the middle to easily lift it for fast-paced gaming. Organizing the cable for my mouse is my Cougar mouse Bungee. It has a suction grip at the bottom which can strongly sit beside your mouse and mousepad. It's the only mouse bungee I know which is very simple and very straightforward. Moving on to the left is my Razer Tartaros V2. I prefer gaming pads like this over the keyboard because of its analog stick for your left thumb. I feel more comfortable with it due to its ergonomic design. I also feel more precise in controls compared to the buttons of the keyboard. Comparing to the first Tartaros and Orbeaver, this V2 comes with a wrist rest foam and a detachable analog stick cap. And lastly, the one that is hooked under my desk is my Turtle Beach Steel 500p headset. It's hung in a DIY headset hanger. Though it's an older model now, I still love the sound, especially the bass, which I'm not expecting from its build quality. And that's the only thing I don't like, because the whole headset is made out of plastic materials only. But I still love it because of its sound quality for the price. I am now able to make a setup for my PS4 and a desk completely because of its mouse and keyboard support. That's all from me today. Please let me know in the comment section what do you like or dislike about this video. I would really much appreciate. And please don't forget to subscribe, because that will be a big help for me to continue posting more videos like this. Until my next video, I'll see you all again.